Hello, welcome to Tech Mirages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate closed captions for your IGTV video, which is a new and latest Instagram feature that is being rolling out to all the users worldwide. So this feature of automatically generating closed captions for your IGTV videos in Instagram is not enabled by default, and we need to enable this feature in Instagram settings, and I'll show you how to do that. But before going to see how to do that, let me show you what I mean by generating closed captions automatically for your IGTV videos. So let me open Instagram and head over to my Instagram account and tap on the profile icon which you could see at the bottom. Next, tap on the IGTV icon where I could see all my IGTV videos uploaded to my Instagram account. Now let me open any of my IGTV video, and when I played it, you would be seeing closed captions being generated or being shown at the bottom of the video. So let me show you that. Let me play the one of my IGTV videos. Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you how to take expanded screenshots or scrolling screenshots in your Android mobile. Hello all, welcome to Tech Mirages, and I'm back again with another awesome video. In this video, I'll show you could see that when I'm playing this IGTV video or when someone is watching my IGTV video on Instagram, they would be seeing the closed captions below the video. This is similar to subtitles or closed captions in YouTube, but Instagram is rolling out this new feature which automatically generates closed captions for IGTV videos, so that when someone watches your IGTV video, they can see these automatically generated closed captions and it gives more context of your video. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically generate these closed captions for your IGTV videos and how to enable. But before going forward, make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you never miss any of my latest videos. And the stage has been set, let's get started. So there are two steps involved to enable this feature of automatically generating closed captions for your IGTV videos in Instagram. So head over to your Instagram and tap on the profile icon which you could see at the bottom, and tap on the three vertical bars on the top right corner. Next, you could see setting option at the bottom, just tap on it. Next, tap on account. Next, tap on options and make sure you enable the option captions. Just tap on the button and it toggles or turns it on. So make sure you turn on the captions option, and the language is English, which is the default language of my phone. So this is the first step to enable captions through your settings. And the next step is we need to enable captions again while we are uploading the IGTV video. So let me show you what is that. So go to your home. You can upload IGTV video by clicking on the plus icon which you could see at the bottom, or else you can tap on the profile icon, tap on the plus icon on the top right corner and create new IGTV video. So tap on IGTV video option and select the video which you want to upload it as IGTV video onto your Instagram. So this is one of my YouTube videos which I downloaded from my YouTube channel. So let me tap on that video. Next, tap on the next button on the top right corner. You can add a thumbnail or cover image to this IGTV video by clicking on the add gallery option at the bottom and select the thumbnail or the image which you want to add it as cover image from your gallery. I don't want to add any thumbnail or cover image as part of this video. So let me click on next button. Give the title and description of your video which matches to your video. And if you want to add to any of the series, just tap on add to series button. If there is no series being shown there, you can tap on new series plus button and you can add a new series. This looks like a playlist of your YouTube. As I already created a series for this specific video, let me tap on the specific series and click on done. You could see advanced settings option at the bottom, just tap on it. You could see auto generated captions under accessibility section. Just tap on that to enable this option. And it also says that auto generated captions added to your video help people with hearing impairments. They may take a few minutes to appear. So generating closed captions automatically may take several minutes based on your video length and more. Just tap on the back button. And if you want to post it as a preview to your feed, then you can enable this post a preview option as well. Once you're done with your settings, adding a series and giving title and description and enabling the closed captions, just tap on the post button on the top. And you could see that your IGTV video is being uploaded and it is being shown on the top. Once done, you can go to your profile and click on the IGTV videos and open it, and you could see the closed captions as I shown. It takes few minutes to generate closed captions for IGTV video. Once done, people who watches your IGTV video on Instagram could also see closed captions. So this is a simple way to enable the Instagram feature which automatically generates closed captions for IGTV videos. Hope you find this video useful. Please like and share the video. And if you have anything more to add, please do comment below the video. Thanks for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. See you soon.